Hey everyone, it's Freshcooking here again. Hope you've been enjoying the videos which I've posted. I would like to share with you my kale and potato soup. Without further ado, let's get cooking, guys. These are the ingredients needed to prepare the kale and potato soup. It's kale, celery, tomato, green onions, which some people call scallion or also spring onions, and cilantro, which some people call coriander. We have here our onions, chopped onions, salt, garlic, some miso, chickpea miso, some turmeric, a little bit of black pepper, cumin, paprika, and some thyme. In here we have our potatoes, which is peeled and cut, and some previously cooked beans, navy beans, and we also need some avocado oil to cook with. First we chop up our celery, get it ready, because everything just goes into one pot. Celery is very good for you. It's got your vitamin C, your K, your A in there. Very good. Very good for lots of different illnesses. Now we will chop up our kale. Kale is also very good for you. It's got your vitamins in there. It's like one of the cruciferous vegetables, which is very good for the body. Good antioxidant as well. So I love my kale. Okay, my kale's all chopped up, so now we put it in here. Then I've already got some of the tomatoes chopped up, but I will do another one because we need more than one. Okay, that's all we need. So first we have our pot, then we add about maybe a tablespoon of avocado oil. Then we put our onions in to get sauteed. We have our heat on medium. We add our garlic, which I love to use a lot of garlic because it's so good for you. So the more garlic, the better. As we all know, garlic is a pre-probiotic, very good for you. And just mix it all together again. Now I add my celery, which is another good source of vitamin, like I said. Very good for lots of different illnesses. We don't want our kale. Add the peas in there, which is the whole navy beans. It's about 3 cups full, which I previously cooked, but if you prefer, you can use canned beans. Just make sure you try and get organic. I love my beans, so I put about 3 cups in here, and I'll just let it simmer for a little while. Then now I'm going to add my cumin, paprika, and some thyme in here, and my turmeric with a little bit of black pepper, and my miso, which is fermented chickpea. So that's chickpea miso, which is very good for the gut. And turmeric, as you know, is very good for inflammation, so I love to add it whenever I can in my meals. So just mix it all up together. Add some salt, but salt is to taste because everybody have a different. Add some salt and just mix all together. Now I'm going to add some water to it, which was previously warmed up. Now we put our potatoes in. It's been cooking for about 10 minutes now, so we'll add our tomatoes in. And we will slowly start adding our kale. We'll add the rest of the kale in a minute. I'll just let that one shrink a little, and we'll add the rest later. We have our beans in, which would be our protein in this meal. Just add all the rest of the kale. This is the final result of my kale and potato soup. I will just drizzle a little coconut oil on here, or you can use olive oil if you prefer. And also to garnish, this is when I use my spring onions, green onions, scallion, and also I put a little bit of cilantro on here, or coriander. That's it. Hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching me prepare the kale and potato soup. Hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to like and subscribe. I also wanted to share the miso chickpea that I put in my soup. It's not, you don't have to put it in. I just love to put it in because I know how good it is for the gut. Hope you guys enjoy. See you in the next video.